Burndy is pleased to announce the new Patriot PAT46LW and PAT46LWS 15-ton series of crimping tools. The 15-ton battery-actuated C-head crimping tool has been redesigned to offer customers an ergonomic, lightweight alternative to the existing PAT46LI. The PAT46LWS series has a new lightweight forged C-head, providing a length reduction at over 2.5 inches and a weight reduction of more than 6 pounds. This new ergonomic design continues to accept all standard Burndy P and U style crimping dies. The new PAT46LWS series offers customers the choice of ordering 2 battery platforms, an 18-volt Makita Lithium Ion or an 18-volt Makita nickel metal hydride in various configurations. Like all Burndy Patriot battery tools, the Burndy PAT46LWS series incorporates the latest engineering technology with a patented high-speed hydraulic pump and field-proven electronics designed to provide a consistent, reliable connection every time. Customers now have lightweight ergonomic choices when it comes to selecting a 15-ton battery-powered crimping tool, the PAT46LW Latchhead series, or the PAT46LWS C-head design. The new lightweight ergonomically balanced design weighs only 18.9 pounds, limiting the fatigue experienced with heavier tools. Refined hydraulic system and field-proven electronics offer customers superior reliability, performance, and speed in the harshest working environments. Over-molded handle for comfort and improved grip allows for one-handed operation for advance, retract, and hold. Trigger guard added to prevent accidental operation while being carried. Burndy's 5-year limited warranty on tools and lifetime warranty on Infinity drive transmissions, and 1-year warranty on batteries and charges. Burndy, connecting power to your world.